it's Nicole here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to stop by Larry's Nursery right behind me. I heard they got some very beautiful Lightning Bolt Jewel Orchid for only $9.99. Let's check it out and hopefully I can get one for myself. Alright everyone, I'm here at Larry's Nursery. It is one of my favorite local nursery in Kansas City. I am here for the Jewel Orchid, the Lightning Bolt Jewel Orchid. And I think I see them. Oh my gosh, they're selling so many Jewel Orchids. And by the way, this one is in a quart size pot for $9.99. So cute. It is so pretty, and for $9.99, this is such a good price. If you check online, you can easily spend $30 on a jewel orchid like this specific type. $9.99. So if you are looking for a jewel orchid or this specific one, if you're in Kansas City area, make sure you check out Larry's Nursery. They have 4 trays of the jewel orchid. So let's talk about the care tips, because I know not a lot of people have them and they're kind of a little bit finicky to me. So if you think about their natural habitat, they actually grow in Asia. They're from Asia, and they usually live in the forest under the big tree. So they like low to medium light, and they like their soil to be very moist, very damp. If you like to water your plant when the soil is dry, I'm sorry, this plant would not like it. This beautiful plant also loves high humidity. In wintertime, make sure you keep it indoor, and the temperature has to be above 50 degrees Fahrenheit. And let's take a look at the leaves again. I love the marking. Oh my gosh, so pretty. This one is not, the contrast is not as crazy or insane as the other one. Look at this one. Oh my gosh, so pretty. So I suggest you keep it in the same pot, or I see a lot of people put it in sphagnum moss because it does a good job to keep the moisture in. So $9.99, I'm going to pick up one, and since I'm here, so I want to give you a quick tour. They also have a lot of beautiful plants. Okay, this one is Alocasia. Oh my gosh. The Gray Dragon Alocasia Maharoni for $7.99. This is such a good price. They have a lot of cacti and succulent combo. They are super cute. Oh my gosh. Anyways, I am not very into succulent and cactus, so let's move on. They have some very beautiful Calathea White Fusion. Oh, so pretty. Calathea White Fusion also requires very high humidity. So it is in a 4-inch pot for $9.99. Such a good price. Okay, Miranda. Miranda is less finicky and less high maintenance than the White Fusion. Oh, it's pretty. For $5.99 4-inch. This is such a good price. And they have a lot of beautiful peperomia. Oh my gosh. Wow. Some nerve plants, some peperomia. And look at this marking. Oh, I like it. So pretty. How much? This one is 3-inch or 4-inch.
A few moments later.
I just asked the associate. They said this is $4.99. And then they also have some smaller plants in a very cute containers for $12 to $13. And ooh, this is one of my favorite peperomia. It is so easy to care for. Peperomia wassail for $5.99. Nice. Some syngonium. If you're looking for Hoyas, they have some Hoya Hindu rope for $7.99. And then Hoya Carnosa Crimson Princess, $7.99. I don't know why this rubber plant is here. A lot of Carnosa. They got a lot of oxalis. I don't think they are easy in winter, but they are definitely beautiful. Looks like butterfly. During the St. Patrick's Day, they usually have the green version. Also very cute. Okay, let's take a look at some Calathea Alocasia. This is, wow, so pretty. This is Calathea Elena, $7.99. And ooh, Alocasia Portora, same price, $7.99. Wow, so pretty. I'm just not a big fan of Alocasia. To me, they get spider mites very easily. They attract spider mites and other pests. So they're kind of high maintenance to me. And in winter time, you have to keep the temperature high, keep the humidity high, because this is what they like. Oh, they have a little palm. Alocasia Buddha's palm, $7.99. This is very cute. They also have Alocasia Yucatan Princess, $7.99. If I pronounce it wrong, I'm so sorry. This new leaf is so beautiful. Wow, they have some gigantic ones. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my gosh. This is interesting. Every time I stop by Larry's nursery, I have to mention this to you guys. This is the variegated lemon tree. I got mine from Larry's nursery last year. For $7.99, this is such a good price. And look at the foliage. Oh, it's pretty. It's so beautiful. For $7.99, a lemon tree, come on. Depends on where you're located. If it snows in your area in winter, make sure to bring the lemon tree in, because they don't like the snow. They will die. They have so many living stones. Oh my gosh, so cute. This one is so tall. They're in a 1.5 inch pot. So let's check the price. 2 inch. Okay, 2 inch for $5.99. Oh, so pretty. Look at that. Look at this one. Oh, so cute. Oh, I like this one too. Wow. If you're looking for smaller plants, they have some starters here. This is the Calathea rattlesnake. The size is 1 quart for $7.99. They have some fiddle leaf fig, $7.99 as well. Oh, this one for $9.99. Orbifolia, Calathea Orbifolia. Such a good price. Look at that. Oh, it's so cute. I love Calathea Orbifolia. Probably is one of my favorite Calathea. It's just because when they grow bigger or when they get more mature, each leaf could be bigger than your head. So I think they are just so pretty. And look at this one. There's a new leaf, a baby leaf going to unfurl. So cute. And it's such a good price. They have some Philodendron Imperial Red for $7.99. Alocasia something, the word that I cannot even pronounce, $7.99. I like the lengthy, long leaves. If you're looking for a small one, Monstera deliciosa, they have a few right here for $9.99. And a lot of rubber plant, Ficus elastica, and $7.99. If you're looking for variegated one, they do have the variegated one. This is the ruby. It has the strawberry, the pink color on the edge. They also have a good variety of snake plant. I see a moonshine. I see some starfish. And the price are starting $7.99. It's pretty good. So this is their propagation area. It's at employees only, but you can take a quick peek and see what they're propagating and what will be available next spring or next summer. Alright, plant haul time. This is what I got. This is very beautiful Lightning Bolt Jewel Orchid. If you look at the foliage, oh my gosh, it is so beautiful. It looks like lightning bolt. So it's so pretty and I cannot say no. This plant needs high humidity and I decided to put it in a little greenhouse and hopefully it will like my environment. And I only pay $9.99 plus tax. This is such a good price for this jewel orchid plant. Anyways, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Feel free to connect with me on either Facebook and Instagram because I'm active there. I usually post my plant shopping sneak peek. If you connect with me there, you will see the great deal right away. Alright, that's it for today. My name is Nicole. I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.